Bang, bang, bang. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source on YouTube. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang. Welcome. Luck. If you don't like excessive smoking, tobacco smoke, alcohol consumption, or cursing, leave now. Leave now. That's your warning. All right. Bang. Now, brothers. You know how we got to. I'm going to just do that from now on. I don't want to hear any more excuses. Brothers. Oh my gosh. It could be the Coinbase show today. So there's actually two Coinbase stories, but I'm not going to get too deep into each because they're just good news but just quick news. So I'm just going to give you a quickie on those. Oh, and there's a rumor going around. I think Edwin brought this out last night in the Twitter account. So Edwin, thank you for this. I believe it was you, Edwin. Could have been Justin or Bob. I don't remember which one of you guys did it. I think it was Edwin though. And a rumor with Stellar hooking up with Fidelity Investments. Are you sick? Oh, Ripples will be out the door. Yo, if that ever gets announced, my Ripples will be out the door and stellar time. And then SEC. So here it comes, boys. Oh, brothers. Brothers. I mean, you know what I mean. I want just, if we could just get a little bit more blood red, like just this 1 week, just one more week, right, of a real thrashing, like just one more thrashing, right? So we can really just get our hands on some goods and really fill our cryptocurrency warehouses nicely. I'm not going to lie to you though, man. I think it's over, man. I think those days are over. And so, well, it's just time to take joy in what the Lord brings us. And man, he's bringing us, bang, a tsunami of money. And we're going to talk about that, brothers. You know how we do around these parts. Bang, now. And then shout outs and airdrops and whatever happens to pop into my head during that period of time. Oh, brothers, man, you've been here for a while, brothers. Man, Ronquez said, today Ronquez said, yeah, man, we've been through a lot. I can't wait to hang out, man, and just sit down and sip some drinks in South Beach one day. And we'll talk about all the war stories that we've been through. Man, we've been through some shit, haven't we, guys? Man, this channel's only been here since what? January, February, I think? We've been through some war already, right? Oh, the blood red. Oh, man. That was the heart of the carnage. We went through the heart of the carnage together. Right? I had to hold motherfuckers back. No, don't sell. Right? Oh, man. Now the money's coming, brothers. Our money is on the way. All right. Let's get our show on the road. And let me get into that with you how we normally do. So let us begin how we normally begin with a bang. And then a bang. Oh, I'm in a good mood. I'm triple banging, banging it. Yo, man, brothers. All day. Hold on. I got to even go here, though. Just like last week, man. All the stories. Just money coming. This being regulated. That being regulated. Money laundering crap. Like, here it is. Like, you are watching the building of a market. You have something that billionaires want. And this is how bad they're going to do. This is the level that they will go through to come and get it from you. All these multi-million-dollar custody programs. Oh, brothers. And you already know. You who've been here long, you already know the power of custodianship. I even have another one today, right? All these guys are just custodying now, giving custodianship. All right. Let me just have a sip. All right. Let you see something first. Bang, and I'll have a sip. You guys marinate on those numbers for a second while I talk and shit. Like, seriously, guys. Oh, the money right now. That guy Novogratz is probably right, man. At the pace this is going, Q1 looks promising. Like, I still believe Q2, man. Like, just, things take time, but then just like Coinbase, right? Oh, yeah, we're just applying. And then they Coinbased us, right? The next week they came out with the custody. So I'm going to tell you the truth. For this month, You guys know how I invest. I put in 30% of my profits of the month. This month, I'm going to go all high caps, large caps. So I'm going to buy a Bitcoin. I'm going to buy, I don't know, a bunch of Ethereums and a bunch of Litecoins on the high-end stuff. Right, that while it's still stagnating. I mean, why don't I get some Bitcoins now while it's in this, what is it, 6,400 kind of range? If I get a couple right now, like, why wait till it goes to 8,000? Nah, man. It's better just to suffer now and pay right now. And then next month, oh my gosh, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm probably going to put in another 9, 10G next month. All VeChain, Tron, IOTA, Stellar. And I'll tell you, I might save some money and just get rid of these Ripples. I'll talk to you guys about Ripple at the end of the show. I'll talk to you guys about that shit later. Oh, and I know I'm going to hear from you. But let's do how we do around these parts, brothers. Bang, bang, bang. Top 10 of the day, our usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, and Monero. Bang. Let's look at our top 10 losers of the day. Oh, my bad. Not the losers yet. First, we have to... Wait a minute. First, we have to look at the whole market. What did the market do? Let's get a refresh. Fresh. There's a refresh. Okay. Oh, low single digits up to low single digits down. Nice and ranging still. We're just ranging, just like we've been in the past few weeks. Low single digits up to low single digits down. Low single digits up to low. Oh, 13. Who's that? Bitcoin Diamond. Okay. Low single digits up to low single digits down. Low single digits up to low single digits down. All right, brothers. Let's look at our top 10 losers of the day. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Ravencoin, you're back here again, brother. All right. So, top 10 loser of the day. Ravencoin, Metaverse, ETP, Eternal Token. Eternal, you're here too, brother? Oh, man. Veritasium, Crypto.com, Chainlink, Dogecoin, Electroneum, Aura, and Loom Network. Let's look at our top 10 gainers of the day. Bang. All right. Bitcoin Dynam, Genesis Vision, MobileGo, Nexo, Augur, Dropple, Cycom, Pivx, Loopring, and VeChain. Oh, VeChain. Oh, you want to talk about gainer? Bang, bang. That's going to be a heavy gainer for anyone who's smart enough to get in. Now, let's look at the total market cap. 210 billion. Ain't fuck all. Oh, and one of the brothers last night finally got it. He's like, wait, Shamari, because I keep telling you guys, you're going to be rich. And I keep showing you, and I guess I never said it the right way. And he said it the right way. Hold on, let's even go to that. And because he said, how do I get to this? So he said, oh, I want you to read it from him. Like, I guess maybe I wasn't saying it the right way for people to understand what the fuck I'm talking about when I say you're going to be rich. I mean, I tried to show you. Justin Williams gave us that, the chart. Oh, that chart, man. Justin, man, put that up again, brother. That's the deadliest chart you'll ever see in your life. It's going to be your favorite one. After custody is going to be your favorite word. That chart is going to be your favorite chart. Now, this guy asked me, where is it? What the fuck? Okay, here he goes. Yeah, so he's like, where is it? All right, so, Steve, Devin, yeah. Bang, he's married to his wife 30 years. Man, well, she's a lucky lady. She's about to have some fun in the sun with this boy. Steve said, starting to get it now. The 210 billion is spread throughout 2,000 coins at the moment. So let's look at exactly. You see this? This 210 billion is spread among, let me get this thing even going. Hold on. Let's look at all. Let's view all. Watch this. Yeah. This exactly. I mean, oh man, I'm glad you brought that up. So I wasn't explaining it correctly. Yeah. That $210 billion is spread throughout. Oh, it's still loading. My bad. I guess that's a lot of coins it's got to load. But anyway, let me read it to you, what he said while it's loading. Starting to get it now. The 210 billion is spread throughout 2,000 coins at moment. If one firm can put in 350 billion, that's probably only to be spread in the top 50 coins. Right. That's what I meant to be telling you guys. That's what I meant to be saying to you. I thought maybe everyone understood, but bang, you've gotten me the way to say it, and I'm going to say it from now on. Luck. There's only 36 working product. Out of those 36, only 7-8 of them have major partnerships. Now, all that money, just like what Steve said, all that money, this 200-something billion, yeah, that's spread between the good shit like Bitcoin to the shit like shitcoin. All those shit coins have money in it. Yeah, when these guys get here with all their billions, though, they're not going to be putting their money in any of that. They're going to be putting it in the 36 working product, and especially those 7 or 8 that have major corporate partnerships. That's the level. That's why I mean, when you're going to be rich, I mean, if you invest smart. Look, what you're going to see is some coins are going to take off. Other coins, they're not going to go anywhere. People are going to be like, well, why are those guns going up and this go? Yeah, because that's shit, buddy. No one wants that crap. Oh, so understand that, boys. That's why I'm harping. I know, man. Driving it down your throats. You have to have quality goods, because that money, when it gets here, they're sophisticated investors. They have analysts and shit. Like, it's not some idiot like me, and I'm no idiot. I've been in the markets for, all right. If you're new here, go to forexfactory.com. My name is Shamari. Type in SHOMARI. I'm a Forex trader. My money makes me money. I haven't had a job for 18 years. I know how these guys work. They're not coming here to invest in anyone's dreams, motherfucker. Oh, but Cardano says they're going to do this and they're going to do that. And look at their mainnets. Well, when they're doing it, that's when they're going to buy. So that's what you have to consider. Spending your money now before they get here is, well, what is up and running now? Right? What has working product now? And so that I know when they get here, that's what they're going to buy. Do you see what I'm saying? And they're going to stuff all that money into only the working products. All those shitcoins are going to be left behind. The markets are going to be super red for all working product, and just the way it is today. Like right now, today is the 24th of October 2018. Yeah, their shit's going to look like this this time next year. But the ones with working product, blam. By this time next year, they're going to be an explosion. And so I want everyone to understand that. The money that's coming in, that's why I tell you have to buy working product. Like, your coin might be worth something now, but it's not going to grow when they get here. It's just going to stay right there. All right? They're just going to bypass that. All right, so what the fuck? Oh, we didn't even get into the stories yet? All right. Man, because I want you guys to make this money. All right, let me just bang. Let's have a commercial break. Oh, yes. So, we're in stablecoin wars. Stablecoin wars. Let me just leave it at that. Let me have a quick fuel, and let's talk. All right, well, crypto giants Coinbase and Circle launched digital dollar, USDC. Right, after Tether fucked up, what was that, about 2 months ago, right? Tether had to come up with that audit, and then they hired that shitty little auditor. Everyone was like, nah, dude, you don't have that money in there. And so you notice all these stable coins coming out? Because they knew now we can attack. These guys don't have the money, right? Tether, yeah, they got away with that shit when it was only retail investors, when no one was really looking. What's a retailer going to do? What am I going to do? I'm a trader here in Miami, right? Like, What am I going to do? Hire an audit company and audit them? No, I'm a retailer. I'm not going to do that. But now that big money's coming, well, big money is auditing. Big money's like, yes, we want to see the books. And Tether was like, busted. Bang. And now we see all these stable coins coming through. And so today, Coinbase and Giant Circle, both of them are giants, launched their crypto dollar USDC. Bang, let's look at it. Crypto exchange and brokerage giant Coinbase have provided a major stamp of approval to one of several recently launched USD-pegged cryptocurrency stablecoins, seeking to supplant Tether as the leader in this burgeoning market niche. The San Francisco-based Coinbase on Tuesday announced beginning today, customers can buy, sell, send, and receive USD coin, the cryptocurrency initially launched by fellow cryptocurrency unicorn Circle. Bang! All right. Coinbase customers throughout the world can send and receive the token, which is backed by physical dollars stored in company-controlled bank accounts, while U.S. customers, excluding you guys in New York, unfortunately, can buy and sell the token on Coinbase.com. USDC is not currently listed on Coinbase Pro, the firm's order book cryptocurrency exchange, though the company says it will be added to this platform in the coming weeks, obviously. So settle down, traders, settle down. It'll be there. Now, this guy, who is this guy? Anyways, whoever this fucker is, he says the advantage of a blockchain-based digital dollar like USDC is easier to program with, to send quickly, to use in D apps, and to store locally than traditional bank account-based dollars. That's why we think of it as an important step towards a more open financial system. Bang. All right. Coinbase also noted that stablecoins like USDC are ideal for business purposes, and that's what we give a fuck about, and e-commerce applications. Oh, yeah, as payments denominated in these tokens can be made at any time of day without the inherent risk of price volatility associated with using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as working capital. Exactly. When you're buying stuff in crypto, when you're buying stuff in Bitcoin, dude, Bitcoin takes like half an hour to fucking transfer. That could change in $10 in that amount, right? In that time. So bang, bang, the stable coins allow it to be what? Stable. Bang. All right. In launching USDC through a partnership with Coinbase, blah, 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 the co-founder of blah, blah, blah emphasized the importance. He says that Coinbase joining us to co-found Center and launch USDC reinforces the value of a shared standard interoperable stablecoin. Like internet standards, USDC is now not owned by any single company or by one single company, but distributed among network participants according to clear rules, regulations, and collectively owned software, he said. When we began work on Center and USDC last year, we envisioned collaborating with a consortium of industry leaders to set new standards for global value exchange and financial contracts. We've been thrilled to collaborate with Coinbase on Center, and we look forward to welcoming more partners who share this vision. Yes, we will change the world. Bang! Yes. So there you go, boys. Coinbase rocked a new one. And so I really bring that up in that we're having the stablecoins war thing, but I really bring it up in the destruction of Tether. I hate little fucking companies that bullshit and lie to me. And Tether is one of those that have lied to us all. And they got away with it for a long time, but now the rubber meets the road. Bang, bang. Now the big boys are coming, and they're actually asking, let me see those books. Yes, that old lady buying one Bitcoin couldn't open the books. But bang, bang, that one hedge fund guy can, and those books ain't looking good, brother. I fucking hate Tether. Bang. So, and I like Bitcoin or Coinbase. They're doing what they can. And so this is another Coinbase story, but we're just going to do this quick. Coinbase got their approval today for custody service in the New York State. Now, remember, I told you guys, the New York State Financial, whatever they're called, association or whatever, is the hardest one to get approved by. So now that they have custody services approved in New York, well, that's Wall Street, fuckstick. That's all the hedge fund guys. So all the hedge fund guys are going to come in. I'm just going to read this quickly. We're not going to do the whole, and I'm not even going to comment. Just New York State regulators had approved Coinbase Custody Trust Company, LLC, to roll out their cryptocurrency custody service in the state, according to official announcement published October 23rd. The New York State Department of Financial Services has authorized Coinbase's wholly owned subsidiary Coinbase Custody Trust Company to provide a limited range of custody services for virtual currencies. So they're not allowed to custody everything, but they're allowed to custody Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Ripple, and Litecoin. Bang. And we're just going to leave it there. I know there's more, but no. We'll just leave it there. That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm going for, I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm going for my large cap crypto this month because this is it, man. And like I told you, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin, they are all on the Bloomberg terminal already. You are going to be rich if you own that shit. Like, you're going to be rich. For sure. And that's why this month, that's why I told you at the beginning of the show what I'm going to do. I'm going for, bang, the large caps. And bang. So this is just a rumor. I believe this was Edwin who gave us this story on Twitter last night. And oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. If this is true, look, Stellar, everybody knows Stellar was made by the co-founder of Ripple. It seems like Stellar's making the big moves. Ripple got fucked with the R3 consortium, kicked out. Western Union said their shit ain't shit. And this week, the Cybos conference, that's what we're waiting for. It doesn't look like that's going down. They're now bottom feeding. While Ripple bottom feeds, though, bang. Let's look at what a real company does. Stellar Lumens has put up double-digit gains over the past week, buoyed by improvement fundamentals and rumors of a potential partnership with who? Look, boys. Remember we talked about them yesterday? Fidelity Investments. If you're new or you didn't watch yesterday's shows, Fidelity Investments has $7.2 trillion under management. Yes, motherfucker. I said T, trillion. No. I didn't make a mistake. I didn't mean B. No, not a B. Trillion under management. Oh my gosh. Now, just like the Cybos thing with Ripple, this also is only a rumor. Oh shit, man! But if it's real, I'll tell you what. Those Ripples that I'm about to sell, I'll just buy these Stellars. Oh my gosh. Watch this. Oh, this is too stupid. So, the latest upsurge so we're going to read down here. The latest upsurge in Stellar's price follows speculation that Fidelity Investments may consider adopting the XLM blockchain for its digital asset business. Oh my gosh. The speculation is tied to Tom Jessup. Hold on. I got to stop. Do you remember yesterday, guys, I told you Fidelity has $7.2 trillion under management, and they're getting into the crypto space. They already said they're going to offer custody. They're going to offer insurance. They're the big boys. Like, there are not many bigger. They're the fourth biggest in the world, so I guess there's only three bigger if you want to get technical about it. And look, if they use Stellar for their digital asset business, oh my gosh. If a company like Fidelity puts in just 5% of assets or of their money into the crypto market, that's $390 billion. That's almost twice the crypto market of everything, like of every single scrap of crypto that's been sold. They could buy it over twice if they just allocate 5%. The estimate is that these big boys are going to start allocating 2 to 7%. So let's be conservative and keep that 5% number. That's a doubling of the market from one company alone. Brothers, when I point to you and I say you're going to be rich, it's not a fucking joke. I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying it. It's real. So the speculation is tied to Tom Jessup, a Fidelity executive who used to run a promising blockchain startup by the name of Chain. The Chain project was recently acquired by the Stellar Development Corporation. This guy used to run Chain. Chain was bought by Stellar. and he's a Fidelity guy. Currently? Oh, he's currently a Fidelity guy, right? Following the merger, the Stellar Development Corporation rebranded as Interstellar. From an institutional standpoint, Fidelity is considered an early adopter of cryptocurrency. They've been mining crypto since for 4 years. Stellar has been subject to other positive speculation in recent months as large corporations seek entry into the blockchain arena. In August, Business Insider speculated that Facebook was eyeing a potential partnership with Stellar. Anyway, that turned out not to be true. So why are we talking about that bullshit? But bang! What do I like, brothers? What do I invest in? You got to be in large corporate partnerships, major government partnerships. Bang, bang. Last month, let's go. Last month, IBM announced it had officially announced, they officially announced that they officially launched its new money transfer. And this is why I'm going to kill you guys. I know you Ripple lovers, but it's over. The dream is over. Last month, IBM announced it had officially launched its new money transfer business on the Stellar protocol in a move that could springboard digital currency adoption across the globe. Remember, I'll talk after. IBM Blockchain WorldWire, as the system is known, utilizes Stellar to settle cross-border transaction in a matter of what? Seconds. Guys, fuck your Ripples. Sell your Ripples. Buy Stellar. In my opinion, I don't tell you what to do with your money. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. But look. IBM, okay, let's get real. Let's start talking real business. IBM runs the R3 consortium. IBM pulled Stellar into it to help those 90 big major banks send their money. I don't know what happened in the background, obviously. I'm not there in the boardroom. But whatever happened, IBM kicked them the fuck out of R3. And that's that. And sued them. My bad. And then they went to, remember we read about a month and a half ago about the lawsuit between Ripple and IBM? Yeah. But look who IBM is dealing with now. Stellar. They said, fuck Ripple. We'll go with Stellar. Yeah. The guy, the CEO of Stellar, he was the co-founder of Ripple. He knows all the tricks of the trade. The beauty of Stellar is that they're more than just a fucking move money from here to there. Although that's all IBM is going to use them for. Right now, Stellar is taking over, I read today, ICOs. There's a bunch of Ethereum ICOs that have bounced and have gone to Stellar, that have left Ethereum and have gone to Stellar now. Actually, and Tron. So the thing was really about people just leaving Ethereum. So Tron and Stellar are the platform tokens that ICOs are going for. But in terms of money transferring, here it is, buddies. Here it is. I'm going to tell you something. I know there are a bunch of Ripple lovers out there. And look, I told you. I have like 7-8 G's worth of that shit. And that's why I call it shit. That's why I say it like that. I have a lot of money in it. And look. It's time to let her go. I believe it might be time to let her go. The money transferring is going to happen right here. Where we got here? You know my criteria, brothers. And now I'm talking to the brothers. Look. If you want to comment to me about Ripple or something in the comments, and I love all of you. I love all of you guys. And do so. But don't blow CEO smoke up my ass. Show me why I should hold the Ripples. There is no answer. Why? What partnerships do they have? Why should I hold Stellars? Now, if one of you tells me, Shamari, go buy yourself some Stellar because of this, bang, a new money transfer business with Stellar? Well, yeah. You see, now you're making sense. The rest of you telling me to hold Ripple for some dream. That's over, buddies. That's over. Ripple, bang, it's out of here. I'll report on it, but gone. That's what you need, boys. You need shit like this. You need companies like this. You need companies like bang, bang, bang. That's what we're talking about. IOTA, V-Chains, Stellar. Okay? Major corporation. Tron, buying up a whole fucking half of the internet. Not the half. I know that's a lie. But you know what I mean, though. Bang. That's the quality. If I ask you, hey, guy, why do you own that coin there? And you have to tell me some CEO dream, you're a sucker. You're a sucker. When you ask me, Shmari, why do you own V-Chain? Well, I tell you, because they're with the automated car company in China, because they're going to build a fucking smart city around them, because they're with the second largest shipping company on earth using now. They are being used now. Car companies want to use them now, plus the 18 other partnerships they have with universities and research development teams and blah, 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 blah. You see what I'm saying? Do you see how easy it was for me to say that? Now I ask you, Ripple lover. Hey, why do you own Ripple? What are they doing? What are you going to tell me? Those 3 shitty little fucking shit that they told us last week? Yo, that's nothing. That's nothing. They were with the R3 consortium, the 90 biggest banks in the world plus IBM. Kicked out. Yeah, but look who's taking the IBM helm now. Stellar. Bang. Where are they? Stellar. Look, guys, I just want to help you juggle your portfolios. Look. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. It's your money. Take the loss. All right, I get it. You bought Ripple at the height, and now you're at losing. So what? Take what you've got left and move that into something else that's going to make money. I'm a Forex trader. Go to my Forex factory thing. You see, I take losses. I show you my winners and my losers, right? I'm not like bullshitting you. Yeah, all right, you took a loss. Okay, fuck it. Right? You bought in, 10,000? You're down to 5? Fuck it. Take that 5 and now put it into something good. So that when these dudes get here, bang, you're going to make back the money you lost and then some. And then a lot more. Oh, brothers. Fuck, I love you guys, man. I hate fucking with you Ripple guys, man. But I'm not fucking with you because I own Ripple too. You see, I'm cold-blooded. I'm an investor. You guys know that. You who've been here a long time, you know who I am. You know what I'm about. You've seen my Forex Factory shit. I'm sure you've even read some of the comments. So you know what the language is like. I don't play games, man. Ripple's gone. Stellar. In terms of what? A new money transfer business based on Stellar? Who's doing it? IBM fuckers. Just take that fucking Ripple money and buy Stellars, man. Like, holy shit, this isn't rocket science, okay? All right. But Garlinghouse said, fuck Garlinghouse. He lied to you. He lied about Ripple being used. X-Rapid just came out 2 weeks ago. And let me put it this way. Once you get out, look, dickheads. Brothers. Sorry. All right. If Ripple starts making good partnerships, well, you can buy back in. Right? Get yourself buying in when shit's good. Don't buy in now when it's all garbage. Well, bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. And because this is the problem, brothers. You don't have much time left to handle it, to be playing with that bullshit, fuckery, shitcoin stuff. Bang. Because we have bang. Oh, we have ETFs. And this is why I'm not playing games. I'm not going to lie to you. This is why I'm buying all big cap stuff. There's going to be Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, Bitcoin IRAs, Bitcoin mutual funds. All of you that are at work right now, 3 years from now, you guys who work and have the 401ks, yeah, you're going to be able to have a Bitcoin 401k in 3 years. I guarantee you. You're going to have a Bitcoin 401. And so what do you think? Buy those Bitcoins. There's only, 100-something million of them. So they know that there's a finite amount. It makes it so much more valuable. All right. We'll get into that value thing about Bitcoin later. But buy as many as you can now. I'm not fucking around. I'm buying one this month. Fuck it. One. I know it's only one, but it'll add to my what I had 2.3 of them, I guess, something like that. I used to have like 5, but I used it all to buy my other coins. All right. Anyways, though, as the race to launch the first Bitcoin ETF continues, a meeting Tuesday. Oh yes. So guys, remember we're waiting for the. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So let me calm down. You remember we're waiting for the VanEck ETF announcement by the SEC. And remember, I mean, look, go back and the SEC said they had 14 questions for anyone who wanted to open an ETF. And you had to answer those 14 questions to their satisfactory level, and then they would give you the answer. I mean, I announced that. Shit, that was like the first month of this show or whatever, right? So, but they did. I mean, they literally went into the office. Watch this. As the race to launch the first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund continues, a meeting Tuesday between investment management firm VanEck and the US SEC seems to have successfully resolved the regulator's main issues with its ETF proposal. The SEC was like, yo, we're not down with all this. Well, they had a meeting today, and watch this shit. VanEck's ETF application was rejected, among several others, in August, with the SEC calling into question the ability to prevent Bitcoin markets, being manipulated and subject to insider trading. In Tuesday's discussions, 5 of the SEC's key issues that led to the rejection have apparently been resolved. The SEC had 14 questions that they told these ETF guys. If you can figure that shit out, we've been talking about this for months, boys. I mean, well, you guys know, but if you're new here, we've been talking about this for months. If you can answer these questions, we give you an ETF, buddy. So, the SEC published a document outlining the main points of discussion in the meeting, listing the following reasons it now thinks that VanEck's Bitcoin should now be approved. The SEC says. So we're going to get our approval, boys. That's why I'm telling you, you got to build this warehouse now. Look. You're like Noah. Look. Fuck. Look, boys. I know you brothers. Bob, Edwin, Evans, Ronkes, all you. I know you're good. The rest of you new fuckers. Look. The soldiers. Look, boys. You're like Noah. You know about your Bible? There's a guy named Noah. Now, Noah, what makes Noah special is that he knew of an event that was going to occur, and he took action to fucking make sure that his shit was right when it occurred, right? He knew of a flood. God told him a flood was coming. Bang! Here I am. I'm not God. I'm not saying that. Whoa. I'm not blaspheming. I'm just saying, you know of an event that's going to occur. So you need to build your cryptocurrency warehouse nice now. Just like Noah, he built his ark. You need to build your cryptocurrency warehouse now. Why? Because you know of an event. What is the event? The unleashing of bumbaclot, hedge funds, pension funds. Oh my gosh, just all manner of fun. Your 401k fund, like I told you. Your little worker bee, you got a 401k? Yeah. Bang, your fucking fund is going to be in here too. So you got to get ready now. You got to build your cryptocurrency warehouse ready now. Well, Shamari, what are they going to do? They're coming here to buy your cryptocurrency warehouse. They're coming here to buy it. Well, what are they going to buy? Well, they're going to buy working product. Working products. Cryptocurrency, there's 2,000 of them. Only 36 actually have working product. The rest are just some little pimple-faced shithead in his mother's basement. I don't know what they are. But there's only 36 working product, and out of those, there's only 7 that are in the world now. So you got to dig them up. You know, I'm not telling you what to buy, but in my opinion, you got your V-Chains, your IOTAs, your Trons, your Stellars. Bang, we're reading Stellar now, or we just read it. Those are working. That's called a working product. That's what I call working product. Having a mainnet is not working product. That's just, all right, you have a blockchain. Now, is it doing its use case? Like, until that question is answered, brothers, You have no business buying into that crap. So, like, you're like Noah. Bang. You know an event that's coming, so buy that quality goods. Here comes the tsunami. Oh, it's right here now. Man, Ronquez said it, brothers. Edwin, Bob, Evans, Edwin. You all know. Man, remember how far away it was? It's right here now. It's only a couple quarters away. When we first started, man, that was like a year away. Yo. we're 2 quarters away from this son of a bitch. So you got to get your cryptocurrency warehouse ready now, brothers, with quality goods. All right. Bang. Now let's just, because here it comes. So this fucking, what do you call this thing? The ETF, here it comes. They went in and they told the SEC all the answers to those questions. The SEC published a document outlining the main points of discussion in the meeting, listing following reasons it now thinks. The SEC now thinks that it should now be approved. This is it, brothers. That's what I'm telling you, man. Fuck the blood red, man. I want blood red too, man. Fuck, if we could just get one more week, it'd be delicious, but I don't think we're going to get it. So it's just time to fucking buy all you can right now. Hope for the best. Luck. All right. So these are the, now they're being approved because of this. There now exists a significant regulated derivatives market for Bitcoin. Bang. There is a relevant market. CBOE, futures, blah, 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 are regulated. Bang. Concerns around price manipulation have been mitigated consistent with approval of prior commodity-based ETPs. Bang. Remember we talked about that. What was it? What's that? Backed. Oh, backed. Edwin with this backed shit. I love it now. Backed, right? They have that chain analyzer, right? Any shenanigans, all the money laundering or any kind of manipulation, bang, bang. They have the software monitoring that. No more excuses. CBOE's rules are designed to surveil for potential manipulation of trust shares. Bang. And they promote investor protection. Bang. And we talked about this before. These boys are playing by the rules. It would seem that VanEck made a real and successful attempt at altering the structure of its ETF in order to reach compliance with the SEC's heavy regulations aimed at protecting investors. So they made an application. They put it into the SEC. The SEC was like, yeah, I don't like that part. I don't like that part, and I don't like that part. And VanEck was like, fine. We'll change that part, and that part. Now how do you like it? SEC's like, looks all right. Looks all right. Bang. So here we come with our ETF, brothers. That's what I'm saying. You got to get this. Oh, you got to get it ready now. You got to get your cryptocurrency warehouse ready now. All right. Several of the changes made are listed in the document, right? They made the changes to their thing. Published following the meeting, blah, 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 blah. Fuck all that. Oh, really? So, as Bitcoin News reported earlier this month, the SEC has a deadline set for approving the ETF for Friday, October 26th. Bang! 2 days from now. Today is the 24th of October, 1:34 a.m. here in South Beach. Bang! 48 hours from now, we should have an answer. While analysts have generally agreed they do not expect to see an approval until next year, the success of VanEck's meeting may prove them wrong. Remember, we were always talking about that. They got dissed in, what was it, September 30th, right? Was the VanEck diss, and it was like, fuck. And then they told us, hold on. It'll be in February 19th when they'll make their ruling. Bang, bang, bang. It looks like whatever meeting these guys went into today, it looks like Friday, let's look at it. Friday, the 26th of October. Man, that's the magic day for us, boys. That's the magic day, so get your stuff ready. Get it all ready. Now, bang, what do we got? Oh, so we're done the news. But I just wanted to tell you guys this. There is a new smartphone, and it's a blockchain smartphone. Taiwanese electronics company HTS has announced the pre-sale of its widely discussed blockchain smartphone Exodus 1. The Exodus 1 pre-sale was officially announced today during the Web3 Summit. taking place October 21 in Berlin. According to the HTC Exodus website, early access to the phone can currently only be purchased via Bitcoin and Ethereum, and is available in 32 regions, including the US, UK, and Hong Kong. Now, I just want to tell you that. So if you guys want to get a blockchain phone, there you go. But we're not going to do a whole story on it. So bang, let's get to our shout outs and airdrops like we usually do. Bang, yes, that's what's happening right now. Bang, what do we got? Dragon Ball Super. Bang, see you, brother. Oh, here's the minister. All right, guys, free airdrops. Shamori, man, you talking airdrops. I didn't see you do any. I know, guys. I know. The brothers, I know you've probably been watching. I know. I have to catch up. I have about 2 weeks worth of airdrops to do. I want to probably do them tonight. Just sit down and have a drink and bang them out. But for you, look. If you're new around these parts, this is our brother. This is the brother, the minister of airdrops, Bob. He gives you airdrops. Go to 844-11320 at Twitter. Read the 3 tutorials at the top. Bang, get your airdrop on. Get that Ether wallet going. Get it full. Bang, all right. Now, what do we have here? Micro Bitcoin. All right, buddy, see you. Bang. Oh, this son of a bitch. Drunk as. Bang, see you. I love this, though. You fucking asshole. Like, what a cool logo and everything, though, too, right? But then he rocks the bang, 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 which is so appropriate for the gun. I can't believe I didn't think of that. Son of a bitch. Oh, Van Breenen. Yes. Oh, what's he doing? Unit Payment International. So that's a free airdrop, everybody. Go get that. Bang. Van Breenen, what are you doing? Shut up, woman. I am airdropping the Unit Payment International. What are you talking about to me? Leave me. Yes, Van Breenen. Yes, my brother. I love that man. All right. Bang, there's Bob. Bang, there's Bob. Van Breenen. Oh, there's Pollywood. What's he? Oh, we already did this yesterday. All right. That was the weaning himself off of the guild chat. I'll be there on the weekends, maybe a little bit, but honestly, I don't know, man. I don't really like that thing too much. I like talking to people, and I like hearing everybody's voices, but I don't know, man. It's a bit much. So bang, bang, but what? We're about to end this show. So let's chill it and kill it. Bang, brothers. Subscribe below. Press the little bell. You're going to get automatic updates. And, yeah, that's about it, man. I'm going to keep you hooked up with your crypto. Bang. I'm going to keep you hooked up with the wave, the tsunami that's coming. Bang. And, that's how we do around these parts. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, look. My name's Shamari Clark, and I'm always motherfucking on duty. I love you motherfuckers. Bang, bang, bang. Shamari Clark. Always on duty. Over and out.